What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today we have Chris's 2019 Corolla. It's Christmas time because he's got his headlights in, and they are stunning and beautiful, and we are extremely happy and pleased. You can refer to the other build video if you want to see them in detail. However, now they are installed, so I can show off some of the cooler features. This is currently the Cylon mode, which will dance back and forth, back and forth. What I wanted to show off is this blue that I did on the third J-bar, and that is to follow this body line following all the way up in there. And I think it looks really beautiful, and the client likes it, and that's kind of all that matters. Painted out on the reflector as well as the clear locations. That used to be the running light and the turn signal, and we have a half hex halo and illuminated J-bars, all the good stuff. And now what I want to do is show you the turn signals. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you the running mode. Turn it on! All right, that is the materialized mode, and if you turn it off again, then you can see it does a little sparkles and then disappears. And then the running light mode is going to be white J-bars and a separate blue half hex, and it is just such a cool look. All right, and this is the turn signal. So as per the customer's request, is the J-bars only are the turn signal, and the half hex stays on the whole time, which is easily configurable via the Blue Ghost module. All right, so that's the startup and shutdown mode and the turn signal integration. So this is my fourth Corolla build, my second addressable Corolla build, but my first Corolla install. So I'm super excited about that. Pricing and product information will be in the video description if you're interested in a build something similar like this for your vehicle. All build requests must be submitted via the form on the website. That will also be located in the video description. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks so much for watching. I shall talk to you later. See ya!